St. Clair County RESA presents Dateline Schools, hosted by Terry Harrington.
All this week on Dateline Schools, we're talking about mock trial as our local high school teams are starting to get organized for the 2017-18 season. And this week on Dateline Schools also have a local attorney who was a national judge at last year's competition. So we're talking with Steven Heisler. And Steven, how much different was that national competition compared to what you see here locally in February?
Well, in the local competition, scoring-wise, our scores are 1 to 10. Imagine at the national level, there's not too many people that are getting 1s, 2s, and 3s. I would tell you that at the national level, I don't recall seeing anybody below a 7. But understand, to get to that level, you've gone through and you are the best of the state that you were representing. So we expect those types of scores. The other thing that I found which was different is on the local area, the judges, actually, the presiding judges, score as well, and we don't do that. I was a presiding judge. My job was to make sure the case went and moved forward. We have scoring judges that actually do that on the national level, so that was the major difference.
Now, do the kids, when they go to the national, are they preparing the same case that they would have had back here in Michigan?
Absolutely not. That's what's unique. So picture this, that they start out in the fall here on the state case, and it's February or March that they find out if they're going to go to nationals, and it's a brand new case. So you've been spending this time since the fall to the winter, February or March, and then you have to change gears on the case and prepare for it. So there's a lot less time to prepare for that national competition other than the rules of evidence and such.
But my guess is the kids perform pretty well.
It makes me a better attorney trying to challenge them when they are able to rattle off the rules, the court rules on the federal level, and be able to quote them. It's amazing when I see an attorney that can do it, but to see high school students do it, wow.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.